Hi guys, Gerald here. So today I'm going to be telling you exactly why you are not making any money on Clickbank. Right? Maybe you have a Clickbank account already. You've been trying to make money and everything. Now I have a lot of conversation with a lot of persons. A few of you are my subscribers on this channel. And one thing I've come to discover is the exact reason why you guys are not making any money. Some people come to me and say that they've tried this, they've tried that, they've tried that. Watch video to the very end and you figure out exactly why you are failing as an affiliate marketer, not just for Clickbank, affiliate marketing as a whole, right? Okay, good. So let's go to my screen, guys. Let me show you. Let me show you my income. So I'm right here on Clickbank, right? And you see that yesterday we did $223. $26 has already been made today. By the end of the day, I'm sure it's going to climb a lot higher than this. Day before yesterday, that's 17. Day before yesterday, yeah, 17th was 169, 388. They actually did $400 on the 13th, right? So that's a lot. This is 489. Wow, okay, I didn't see this before now. You know, that means as an affiliate, we have made almost $7,000 this month alone. And mind you that what we actually, the target was 6,000. We actually exceeded that this month, right? $6,000. Okay, probably we'll get to 10,000 by the end of the month. That's what I'm praying for. I hope it happens like that. So, that said, why are you not making money on Clickbank? Now, let me tell you this, guys. My first attempt on Clickbank, right? I took time, I sat down, I learned a lot of things. Then I also improvised with what I've learned, because the truth of the matter is that everything I learned is actually on YouTube. I use YouTube to learn all the strategies that I have. Then I invented a few of my own strategies, which is actually making killing for me. Now, in November last year, when I created my first channel I want to use to promote Clickbank product, Cinderella Solution was the number one product on Clickbank at that time. You know what I did? I made 25 videos promoting one single product. When people come to me and they say they have tried everything, they've done it, they've done that, they're not making any sales, I laugh. You have not done anything, right? Let me show you guys. Let's go to YouTube, for instance. Let me show you guys something. This is YouTube. I search for Cinderella Solution. No, let me search for Lefty Talks, for instance. Lefty Talks. Lefty Talks is the number 2 project. Something source review. Right? Let me search for Lefty Talks review. You see, there's a lot of videos right here, right? And there's an interesting thing. Stefan Tatzman, Daily Wellness Pro, Helen Rivera, April Krieger, My Healthy Wealth, Karen Pinder, Trying Fitness, Angel Richard, Fitness Camp, The Best for You, Shaw Reviews, Brendan Hall, Campbell. There's something I was going to show you guys. Okay, I'm not seeing it for this particular program. Let's search for Cinderella Solutions. Cinderella Solution Review. No, this is a very big product on Clickbank. Active Mama, April Krieger, Brian James. Now, let me show you guys something very interesting. Right? You see, Brainmaster. I'm going to open this in a new tab. Let's go open Burmaster in a new tab. I'm going to open Olivia Anderson in a new tab. I'm going to open April Krieger in a new tab also. Now let's look at this channel. Let's see. Let me show you guys something very interesting. You see that some of these guys that are ranking for this product are the same people ranking for Lefty Talks review also. Lefty Talks review 2020. See that most of them are the same people again that are ranking. Helen Rivera, you see them, that is the same persons that are ranking for this product again, right? Now let's go to their channel and see what they do. This is Brainmaster. We'll go to Burmaster's channel. I want to see all his videos. Let me show you guys something so you understand exactly what they are doing differently, which you are not doing. And guys, this is the exact same thing that I am doing to win on Clickbank, right? That's how I've made $7,000 in one single month. What I'm showing you right here is how I made $7,000 in one single month. So I've shown you guys how to make this kind of videos in my other videos on my channel. I actually have a playlist for Clickbank. So this is a Krieger's channel. I click on videos and I come down. He has Lefty Talks review. Excuse me. He has gluten-free desert review, the fat burning kitchen, keto challenge, this. fat belly, yoga, how kill diabetes, underground loss manual. This is Cinderella solution. He has one single video on each product. One single video on each product. Now, let's look at something else. Olivia Anderson. We go to videos, and you see that this person's Cinderella solution is here. This Cinderella solution again. So he has two videos on Cinderella solution. Oh, three. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 videos on the same product because he's trying to rank for it. I had 25 videos on the same product. 25 videos on the same product. Right? So when people come to me and they say they've tried it, so somebody puts one video on YouTube and they feel like it's not ranking. No, there is no guarantee that your video is going to rank. And the fact that you are ranking today doesn't mean that you'll rank tomorrow. Some other person can, it's a fight, man. Come on, we're fighting. Right? And the more videos you put out there, the more opportunities you have to actually do better. Right? Right now, I'm focusing. See, yesterday alone, I paid $250 to my writers, right? To write scripts and to write articles for me. The whole idea is for these articles to put it there. I don't know the one that will rank, but I'm pursuing 20 different products. And most of these products, 3 or 4 different persons are writing articles on this same product for me. Because I'm going to put it out there. I'm going to buy backlinks. I'm going to do what I have to do to make sure these articles rank. Now, at the end of the day, if 1 ranks, I'm good. If 2 ranks, better. If the 20 of them become number 1 on Google, my dream of making $200,000 every month becomes a reality with a snap of a finger. And somebody writes one article of 2,000 words, and you put it out there. You wait for 10 months, 11 months, you've not made any sale. You come and complain that you've put in all the work. You've not done shit. That's the point I'm trying to make. You've done nothing, nada. Right? So all these people that are making a killing right here that you're seeing, let's go to this person, Burmaster videos. You see, there's Organifi, Flatberry, Cinderella Solution, Leptotox, Melatonin, Fungi. Like, he has a video for every singular product. And for some product, he has more than 1 videos. Right? For some red tea was a big thing like about 2 years ago. He has 1, 2. Like, was number 1 product on Clickbank at that time. He has plenty of videos on it. So this person has been pursuing Clickbank. He has videos of 3 years ago. Right? Just imagine how much this person has made as a Clickbank affiliate. And he understands some of these things that you don't. Right? So I just want to make this video as a point for those people that are coming to me and telling me that they've put in all the work. They've tried Quora, they've tried YouTube, they've written articles, and it's not working for them. So people even come to me and say that they've tried Facebook advertising. And there's this question I always ask. I say, did you move, you set up your ad, right? And the ad, you were moving from your advert to the sales page using your affiliate link. They always say yes. Now, that is a complete waste of money. That's somebody wasting his or her money. The main aim of doing adverts is to collect leads, because most people don't buy immediately. 99% of people that see your ad will not buy immediately, right? So what the ad will help you determine is that these so and so people are interested in so and so product. So you collect their emails, keep their emails safe somewhere so that you can send them reminders through email marketing. Right? That is the aim of every good paid advert. Otherwise, you'll be wasting your money. Now, Facebook advertising and Google Ads is something it's a video I'm going to do it on my list of videos I'm going to do on this channel. So if you're yet to subscribe to this channel, I want to encourage you to hit the subscribe button. It will benefit you in the long run. Right? It will benefit you. Then also watch my video on how to rank YouTube videos. But also know that a lot of persons are gunning for the same keyword that you are gunning for. Right? And the only way that you will win is to be consistent. Now, before I go, let me show you guys another interesting thing that I noticed. Now, one of the affiliate products I actually gone for was Bluehost. So Bluehost review, right? I think my videos are actually my videos have not gotten to number 1. This is my video, right? I have another video that I did a while ago. You see, this is my video again, but they've not gotten to number one. So the sales I'm making with Clickbank with Bluehost is not very significant, but I'm actually making sales with it, even though my videos are here, right? What am I trying to say? People are gunning for this keyword. Now, this guy, this 2 millionaire, has been ranking number one for this particular keyword for a very long time. You know what he does? Every year, he does a fresh video on Bluehost. He does several videos on Bluehost review, right? And he's been number one for this for a very long time. Just imagine, Bluehost pays you $65 for every person you bring in. This guy could as well bring in 1,000 persons every month. Because once people search for Bluehost review, his video is number one. And this is ranking number one. I'm sure he has made other videos too that he's trying to promote. Maybe he even owns 10 different channels that you don't know. Putting up different videos and everything. So I've seen his video here, another of his videos here before. Maybe he has been displaced, right? So this is how to do affiliate marketing. You have to be consistent. Consistency matters. Consistency rather matters. Don't do one video or try one. You go to quote and answer question for like 1 week, and you come and tell me that it's not working, right? Or you go and you make a video, put it on YouTube, or 2 videos or 3 videos for the same product or 3 different products, and you tell me that it's not working, right? That is not how to win. That is not how to win, guys, right? I am committed to your to your success. That is why I keep putting out content that's going to help you, right? So do this, right? Do this. Watch my videos on affiliate marketing, right? I'm also going to be doing a video of individual affiliate products that I actually promote that are not part of Clickbank, right? I'm going to be pointing you guys in that direction so that but this is really how to do it. This exactly is how it's done. So until I see you in my next video, guys, keep winning, and don't forget, Gerard loves you. Stay safe, guys.